Rafael's taste test with this mother effing baby bottle pop. The sour bottom thingy, whatever, thingamajiggy. Drink it. Okay. You want some sourness? Come right here. I guess he's not doing it, so I'm doing it.
I want to do it.
Finally, come here.
What's that? My turn. My turn.
Go. Jaden, I hope you're watching this, because I'm proving that Rafael comes to my house. Fucking sour. Fuck you.
Play Roblox. Can I have this part?
Fuck to the yeah.
Did you lick it?
No.
Did you lick it?
No.
You didn't lick it?
Yeah, I know. Show that to the YouTubers. I mean.
Oh, yeah. That's actually really good at sour. That's all good.
So my God. Feels like rattlesnakes are in my tongue. Pah. They were so bad.
What you got bad? Hey, there. Hey.
Anyway.
Whoa.
Like, comment, subscribe to the next video. Peace out. You better subscribe. I'm gonna kill you.